How to turn on mentions on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok.
¿Sabes que puedes elegir?
And once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on settings and privacy. And here from the account section, click on privacy. And then scroll down to interactions section. And from there, click on mentions and tags. And here, the second section, you can see it says who can mention you. And it tells you to choose who can mention you in their descriptions, stickers, comments, and stories, etc. So here you will have the option to choose between everyone, people you follow, and followers that you follow back. So go ahead and choose whatever option suits you the best, and once you do that, the mentions will be turned on for that specific option. So that was it for this video. That's how you can enable mentions on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.